What happens when you get the wrong prescription in the hospital? We'll tackle that tonight on The Law and You. Joining us as always, attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Ciarimboli. Thanks for being here, guys.
Dave, you look like $1 million.
Thanks, you as well. Greg's getting some sun at the dock, I see, in the lake.
A little bit. It's nice. The weather's been great.
Has been for sure. We've been waiting all winter for this, and we've been waiting to hear this question for a long time as well. Let's get to Jason in Milton. Jason says, my daughter was given the wrong prescription while in the hospital for pneumonia. She went into respiratory failure. Can we sue the hospital? Can Jason do anything?
Well, Jason, your question is, can you sue the hospital? The answer is yes. The bigger question is, should you? And it really comes down to whether yes, there was negligence. Obviously, the medication she is to be given should be the right medication in a hospital setting. She had some immediate damage, the respiratory failure. The bigger question is whether there's any long-term damage, because these cases are very expensive, and ultimately if there isn't any permanent damage or long-term damage or significant damage, then ultimately the cost that it's going to require to pursue it is going to outweigh any money that you'll be able to recover. So need a little bit more information about the extent of damages on that.
Yeah, and from the legal perspective of it, when we get these types of files, it's always an issue. When I sit down and meet with somebody and they tell us this case, we look at it and we're like, how's a jury going to take this case? And again, they'll probably feel very bad that something went wrong and she had the respiratory failure. However, what are the long-term damages? What are the consequences of this negligence? And a lot of times, in our experience, I don't think the juries want to get into those cases. Despite what we get, you really have to have big damages to win those files, because then it just seems like they're the tough ones.
Yeah, they are. They're difficult cases because the jury's looking at it and saying, yes, something was wrong, but geez, at the end of the day, this person is okay. So.
Well, if you need legal advice, you know the guys to talk to. They're available on the phone. You can catch them online. Results Matter. Attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Ciarimboli. Guys, thanks so much.
Thanks, Dave.
PAHomepage.com and the Law and You hotline are always there for you.